guys, welcome back. Well, today I recently bought this color blue chair. I wanted a green version, but there's no green available. So this is what it looks like. It looks a bit ugly with random pieces falling, but we'll get into some things later. First, I'm going to grab on hand pin all these pin caps. I'm going to poke a hole somewhere. I'm going to pull my finger and get it off out. First, the material have this cap that goes on the floor. Second material does the same. Still this cap that goes on the floor for the second one. Some pieces are already like installed and it's easier than using. Now we're done. Okay. Firstly, well, our materials are the leg stool. I don't know why, but this has some wires on it. I don't know what to connect these small wires. You see the small wires at the top? See those small wires at the top? These are really small, but the jagged ones here. See this one? I don't know where that goes. So basically, I'm going to ignore some pieces. Like this one are assembled on. Here's the next piece. We don't have a cap on this one, so put our next cap in. Wait a moment. There's plastic wrapping around the stool, which is not a good sight. I'm taking them off. We can install our beautiful chair. Imagine that this. What's it blurry? Come on, I'm not focused. Oh, I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm not focused. Come on. Oh, that's better. So this thing, this part, see this little jagged thing goes with this jagged thing. So they match. Then you can safely and carefully put this on top. Oh. Maybe be a bit careful with what you're doing. By keeping those on, it should be ready. There are some gaps I'm trying to fix, but they just don't want to press down. Even by the help of my parents, they couldn't get it, so I basically think that's it. These two legs, they have no caps installed, but one of them does. I'm going to get the other cap and put it on top like what we've seen before. There. Now let's get our main component, the chair stool, where people sit. It's a really big matter. I know there's ugly things up here, but we won't worry that. We first need to move our stool legs and to put one there. Let me see how it works. So basically, there's some difference between the back legs and the front legs. There's so much wires here. I'm going to ignore those. You remember me talking about the wires at the start? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter for now, you know. So by putting them on, I can give you a better look by zooming in. Oh no. By zooming in, this doesn't really help. But I know my camera is a bit ugly because it's just a normal 12 megapixel recording in 180p. It's really hard, you know. It's not like just bong done, bong done, bong done, bong done. It's not as easy as you think. If you're a little kid, not like me, I'm young, 9. Well, this doesn't really work well for me because I think I really need to look at this because this is really hard. Oh yes, the instructions! I forgot. Oh my dear, I forgot to find the instructions. god. Thank you. Oh my god. This is the instructions we need. I'm gonna zoom out. Okay, so I'm gonna open this book. It says mammut. This is an interesting word. Mammut. Okay. It says don't build on the floor. It says don't build on the floor. Build on the carpet. If you don't know, call IKEA. So this is from IKEA. This I got stuck in the second step. By doing that, only it says you only need to push it down in any formula way. I didn't get out. I got something in. Oh my god, great. I managed to get something in without any help of an adult. I'm mashing this in under a piece of cardboard. It says how to get a piece of cardboard. It went in greatly. I managed to push it down with all my muscles. It just won't push. I think this is the correct way. But let's see the front. The front is not too good. We have to change it. The front, unfortunately, at the front, there's no holes. So you can't see what's going on at the front. Halfway, I just couldn't get it through. And this was a massive problem. Well, I managed to do something to get it in by bashing it so much. We had a little bit of crack here on this line, but I don't think it's a scratch, but I consider it as a bit of scratching, but not as a crack. By doing this, by scratching the front layer, did not help as well. It just looked the same. Well, some minor difference. It was mashing and damming it did not work well. So basically, I'm needing help, okay? Finally, I managed to get two stuck in. Mashing that so hard, I decided for my softball folder, it's a bit soft, I'm going to take out one of these iPad Air screen softers and you place it on your screen. It's going to be better. But this is quite warm when you place your hand. And it makes my hand feel better instead of bashing it on plastic. I think this will help. By bashing that, well, for my hand to be a bit better. But, well, look at this, it's still not going to work. So, I managed to get that in by bashing it so hard one more time. That's how I got it in. Well, but this time, it didn't work out. Decided to make some put some of the pens, like what Hugh Jeffrey has those plastic pickers, but I have the pen caps. These pen caps I really love. Well, I don't know where that came from, so I just put one of them in to give it some space, so I can actually put it in. Please subscribe right now for more videos in the future. If you don't subscribe, well, I'll still be kind to you. Don't worry if you can't subscribe or you don't have an account. Oh my, this is getting worse. Put it in here. Get it down. Didn't work. Guys, this is a really hard part. I'll just do the rest. I'm going to finish this out later. And I'm just going to put the last leg on and sit on it. So this last leg by batching it. I don't want to spend so much time on the legs. So what I'll do next, where's softer? I'll just make it like that. Too perfect. Too nearly done. I'm going to next it. Oh, this is going to be heavy. We have this last cap. I'm going to get the wrapper off. I can take a bit of cardboard here. I can use for some purposes. But now I don't have any more. I'm going to try the plastic. And we put some more here. I'm not sure which way this goes, but I'm pretty sure it goes this way. Which is the correct way. The chair's nearly done, but, well, I had a lot of difficulties making this chair. As the last model, IKEA made this chair a bit of an upgrade, but it doesn't really seem the upgrade is better because now most people can't build this. As the last one, well, you can use it as a stool without a chair. Okay, I managed to get this done.